Epata kids, you are wonderful kids. Let's sing together. Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning to you, good morning to you, good morning everybody, how are you? Hari ini kita akan belajar di Sentra, Language, Culture, and Physical Education. Sebelum bermain, mari kita berdoa dulu ya. Lipat tangan, tutup mata, kita berdoa.
Dear God, in the morning we start each day. We thank you for your kindness and loving ways. Please let us for today as we help our families in needs. In Jesus Christ's name, Amen.
Supaya badan kita tetap sehat dan kuat dan semangat belajar, yuk kita olahraga dulu ya teman-teman. Saatnya menonton video tentang cerita Natal.
Let's decorate the Christmas tree. Written by Anita McCormick. Illustrated by Willy Wonka. Christmas Day will be here soon. Look, Dad has brought home a Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is so big.
What a big Christmas tree!
Dad puts the big Christmas tree in the living room.
That's a perfect spot.
Mom is opening boxes of Christmas decorations.
What should we hang first?
Pam is hanging colorful Christmas bulbs. The Christmas bulbs are red, gold, and silver.
They are all so shiny and pretty.
Katie is hanging silver snowflakes on the Christmas tree.
They sparkle like real snow.
Jim is wrapping strings of lights around the Christmas tree. Kitty wants to help decorate the Christmas tree too. She is hanging her red toy mouse on the tree.
Thank you, Kitty.
Mom is putting a gold star on the top of the Christmas tree.
The finishing touch.
Dad plugs in the Christmas lights. The Christmas lights glow brightly.
Wow!
The Christmas tree is very beautiful.
Now we are ready for Santa.
Yuk kita menyanyikan lagu Natal bersama-sama. Nah, sekarang teman-teman membuat kue Natal bersama mama atau papa di rumah ya. Bebas membuat kue apa saja.
So are you ready to make some cookies? Yeah! Let's get started. First, we need a little bit of flour. Let me show you. Ew, yucky. Okay, your turn. Good job. Gabi, your turn. You have to make it flat. Oh, mommy is doing. Really? It's flat. So here we have some cookie cutters. Star, yeah. We got some soap. Christmas tree, gingerbread man, candy, house. What else we got? Snowman, another Christmas tree. Wow, and we got a Rudolph. Yeah. So you can choose any of them. Which one would you want to make first? Big one. Okay, press it. Pop it on the pan, please. Yay! First one is done. Christmas tree. Star. Snowflake, snowman, so we are done. Let's put them in the oven. Oven, yay! Now they should be ready. Wow! Look, guys. Now
teman-teman bisa berlatih lagi untuk pertunjukan Natal kita. Setelah semua kegiatan selesai, kita berdoa lagi ya. Yuk lipat tangan, tutup